I am doing a review on the Stay Golden Cosmetics glitter lip kit. It came in this really pretty gold little package. I ordered one because I wasn't sure of how it was going to look on me, and it comes with this little card. It's cute package, and I couldn't wait to open it. I received it, I think, the day after I ordered. 3 days? I paid for 3 days shipping, and it came like the third day, but I was gone. The event that I was going to wear it to, it didn't get here in time, but here it is. This is how it looks. Okay, and so now I'm gonna, I saw a few reviews on it. This is my first time trying it, and a lot of people put lip liner on and stuff, but I really wanted to see what it looked like without all of the extra lip liner and things like that. So here we go. It says start with dry lips. My lips are dry. Y'all know this is not me, for people who know me. I hate dry lips. Okay, it says apply the gloss bond to your parted lips, one lip at a time. So I'm gonna look in this mirror down here and apply it. It's on my lip. So I guess I'll start with the bottom. It smells interesting. It smells kind of like glue. So that's one. Okay, put that on there, and it says once it's clear to apply, dampen the applicator. I got some water. I'm gonna just drink water all day, so I'm just gonna put the water in the cap. Got the applicator, so I'm gonna start applying to the top lip too. I don't know if top lip here. Okay. I just wait. Wait for that. So now, I'm not sure if you can. There's the lips. Here's the glitter. It's so pretty. It's got like this iridescent kind of thing going, and this is in Glitz. This is the Glitz color, which is like the pink one. I gotta get this thing open. Okay, it's open. I wonder if you can use this pigment on your eyes or something. I just got into that. So here's the little, oh, let me set that down before I spill it because I'm clumsy. So here's the little brush here. I guess you take it and dip it in the water, and then take some of this. I guess take this part, and I'm gonna look in the mirror and do my bottom lip first. Oh. I like this. Oh. This would have been so cute with my look that I had this past weekend, but it's okay. Got that on there. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Girl! I'm pretty sure this light ain't even doing it justice. Oh my gosh. Okay. A little bit more. Now, I got a fat lip, so I'm not sure how much I should go down. Let me get around here. Let me try. Alright. Oh. So now I'm gonna try, that's the bottom. Okay. Here's the top. Y'all gotta excuse me, my washer is on. I'm doing some laundry. I haven't quite figured out where I want to film yet, so obviously I'm not supposed to film when the laundry is going, but I wanted to get this out of the way, so bear with me here. Okay, wet this a little more, dip that in there. Now I will say this, it looks way better in person than on camera. Like, I love this stuff. Oh, I wish I could wear it everywhere, honestly, just by the looks alone. I haven't really got a chance to talk about how comfortable or how it feels, so we'll get into that once I'm done applying it. Okay. I probably should have put some at the bottom part of my lip, a little more at the bottom of my lip. I guess I'll pat it down with this side of the brush. There's two sides. I was applying with this side, and then this side I'll probably just pat. Okay, so a minimum amount came off on this thing. I don't know if you guys can see it. Just a little bit, little twinkle. Maybe some of that excess. Now, let me get focused again. Darling, I love it. Now, without any lip liner or anything, like, I would say it's so cute, you know. I love sparkly glitter stuff, and so I feel it. Oh, this is like, you know, it's there, but it's so comfortable. Let me see if I got some. I'm gonna drink the water bottle out of the water bottle and see if there's any transfer. Oh, I wish you could see how pretty. Oh, you see that? Look how pretty. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. The thing is, here I'm getting some glue stick in the, like, you know, I hate when I'm talking and I have those gaps of lipstick or where it's supposed to be right there. My lips are huge, so I gotta get all up in there where the wet part of my mouth is a little bit. So I'm kind of like, I don't think I'm getting a lot of the glitter but in my mouth, but oh, it's so pretty. I love it. Okay, let's do the kiss test. There's none. No transfer. No transfer. And that's just on skin. Skin on skin. Water bottle. You know how you get some water on your lips? Let me see. Still no transfer. It's pretty comfortable. Like, you feel it, but because, you know, you feel the glue. So you know how glue's kind of like tugging at your skin. You kind of feel it on your lips a little bit, but it's not super uncomfortable. So I really, really love it. Like, oh my gosh, look at this. I wish the light was over here, but the light's more toward this way. I probably should have recorded this way. Hello. Oh my gosh. It's magical. This is no liner or anything. I probably should put liner on, but I wanted to see what the color was like without it. And this is the result of the Stay Golden Cosmetics. This is the lip. What is this? The glitter lip kit. It's kiss proof. It's cruelty free, and it's turn up proof, which I have yet to judge. So the next time I go out and turn up, maybe I'll wear this. But it's so pretty. Comment below. But if you have any questions about this product, like, subscribe, and I look forward to see you guys in my next video. Bye.